In this session, let us see one additional object that is needed for executing the queries. Now, we know that to execute a query, there are some objects which are absolutely needed by every user. One of those objects is s_rfc. Now, you need this object s_rfc because the queries are executed using Bex Analyzer, which is MS Excel. And because MS Excel is a third-party product, it has to communicate with the BI system. And that communication between the BI system and the MS Excel happens through remote function calls. So you need to have access to, the user needs to have access to the RFC calls. And this is the object s_rfc that gives the user that access. Now, from experience, what I have learned is that simply giving this object is not enough. SAP looks for another object which it does not in BW, but in BI it looks for another object to successfully execute the query. Let's see what that object is. Now, before we include that object into the role, let us go and first execute the query and see what happens when we execute the query. So let's log in with user A and execute one of the query that's coming out of this list. So if you are going to have list all the queries that are part of this info cube, and we'll pick one query and then execute it and see if we are able to do it or not. So let's log in with user A and execute one query. Let's click on the info area. Now we have logged in with user A, and now we'll pick one of the queries and put the technical names on. Let's click on this query and see if we are able to execute it or not. So we get an error message saying that, variable company code, close. So we keep getting some error, and then it disconnects from PW system. So let's go back to the role. Now this error happens because the role, the system is looking for access to this new object called s_bds_d. Now, this I have learned from experience, but I don't know why it looks for this object. But in BI, the system looks for this object, but in BW it does not. But this has nothing to do with saving the workbooks, because you have another object s_bds_ds that is needed for saving the query output to workbooks. But this object is needed for executing the query itself. And this I figured out on my own by tracing when I first got the error when I upgraded a BW system to BI. Now let's go, and we generated the role. Now let's go and log in with user A again and see if we are able to execute the same query this time. So let's click on the info area now again, and we'll execute the same query, which was this one actually. Put the technical names on. So we'll see if we are able to execute the same query this time or not. So this was the query that we executed. Let's do it now. See, now we are able to execute the query. So let's go and execute a company code, say 3000, and click on execute. So we are able to execute the query now. So this object, for some reason, this object is needed for executing queries in BI. but this is not a requirement in BW, but this is required, and this object is needed for the user's access in BI. So you could put club, this object in the role which contains s_RFC for the users from a security roles model standpoint. So keep this in mind. Whenever you build a role in BI, ensure that this object is also included in the user's access along with all the remaining objects such as s_RFC.